In the last video, we saw that all of the list of products are being retrieved successfully. So it's time to create the view. We will right-click on the action method, add view. We'll go with the razor view empty. The name of the view, we'll keep it the same, which is product index. And let's add that. So here, what will be the model? The model will be an IEnumerable of mango.web.models. We have the product DTO. Let me leave a couple of lines and add a div here with the class of container, padding 4, and border. These are all the Bootstrap classes. We will add a div, give it a class of row, and padding bottom of 2. Then inside this div here, we will add another div, give it a class of column. We will copy and paste that 2 times. The first one, we want to display a heading here, so we will have h1, give it a class of text info, and we'll call this as product list. In the next column right here, we want to display a button to create a new product. So we'll be using the new Bootstrap 5 class, which is text end and not text right. We will give padding top of 1, and we will have an anchor tag with ASP action of create. We will add some Bootstrap classes of btn outline info, and in here I will be using font awesome icon. So we will give it a class of FAS, FA-plus for the plus sign. This will be FAS. And outside of this, we will display create new product. We will select all, Ctrl-A, Ctrl-KD to align things. And let me run and see how this looks. If we click on product here, perfect, it displays the product list. And we have create new product. Let me go back. Rather than info, I can just use primary for the blue color. I will add a space here. And perfect. Now, other than the heading and the button, we want to display all of the products in a table. So we'll give it a class of table. And in there, we have the T head, where we'll be displaying the header. So inside tr, we will have th, and we will display name. Let me copy this th and paste this 2 more times. Next one will be category name. And lastly, let's display price. Let me add another extra th, and let me align this. Then inside the t body, we need to display all of the details. So here we will have a for each loop. We will say variable item in model. So for each of the product, we want to display a table row. Inside the TD, we will display item.name. Let me copy this and paste it 3 more times. Next, we have the category name followed by price. And then I want to display 2 buttons to edit and delete. Before I do that, let me just save this, go back and refresh, and great. We can see product, their name, as well as price. Now, of course, we can format this price in the currency. So rather than item.price, we can say item.price.toString and format that to currency. Then inside the TD here, we want to display an anchor tag. It should take us to edit product action. We'll give it a class of btn success. And when we edit or delete a product, we need to pass the product ID that we are working on. So here we can pass the product ID as a route parameter, which is inside item.productID. And then we can display a font awesome icon here. That icon will be the edit icon. So class is equal to FAS, FA-edit. Let me copy this anchor tag and paste it one more time. The next action will be delete product, class will be danger, and icon will be trash. Let's save this, go back and refresh, and beautiful. This is looking great. We have our product list that is available. Next, we have to work on creating a new product, editing a new product, and deleting a product. Let's do that in the next video. We will just go back, Ctrl A and Ctrl KD to align things a little bit. So our index looks good. Let me close that.